Different types of workers and the compliance obligations that come with hiring them. Independent contractors. These individuals engage in project-based assignments but are not classified as employees. Hiring independent contractors results in different obligations for employers compared to hiring employees. Gig workers. These workers perform short-term, versatile roles, and there are legal distinctions that are constantly evolving. Factors such as control, investment, relationship duration, and service integration play a role in determining the classification of gig workers. Temporary workers are often hired through staffing agencies for short-term projects. Hiring temporary workers offers benefits such as streamlined hiring, reduced training, cost deferral, flexibility, and trial periods. However, it is important to have clearly defined contracts for temporary workers, and there may be limits on rehiring them. Understanding the distinction between exempt and non-exempt employees is vital for HR compliance. Exempt employees meet specific criteria and are not entitled to minimum wage and overtime pay. Non-exempt employees, on the other hand, are entitled to minimum wage and overtime pay. It is mandatory to keep records for non-exempt employees, including personal details, hours worked, and wages. There are exceptions to the standard 40-hour workweek. Certain roles and individuals under 20 years old may have different workweek requirements. Additionally, white-collar exemptions apply to professional fields. Now let's discuss strategies for reducing workforce surplus. Attrition is one method which involves not replacing departing employees. This is often referred to as a hiring freeze and can be either hard or soft. Layoffs are a direct method of reducing the workforce due to economic reasons. They are often based on seniority, but it is important to avoid age discrimination violations. Furlough is a part-time alternative to layoffs where work hours are reduced. Early retirement programs can be implemented to encourage older employees to retire early by offering incentives. Demotions may be disciplinary or downsizing based and are usually based on seniority. These demotions are typically outlined in union contracts. Outplacement services can be provided to terminated employees to aid their job search and emotional transition. In the context of mergers and acquisitions, HR plays a critical role in facilitating smooth transitions. This includes leadership assignments, succession planning, and developing a unified compensation and benefits strategy. Downsizing is a reduction in workforce due to economic pressures. Alternatives such as reduced hours, job sharing, and wage cuts can be considered to minimize disruption. Clear communication is essential during workforce reduction to minimize trauma for both terminated and remaining employees.